To that statement, Jah alone fear. Fear is used as a control mechanism to oppress, to keep down. There is a mind control. You have to be careful. Like a thief in the night, they be coming for you.
Escucha, ese catálogo tiene cositas muy interesantes, ¿eh? Para la asociación hay cosillas ahí que también están bien, para tener ahí.
Coming for your mind when you least expect it. Mind is precious, so you have to protect it. Guard it with the truth and keep it open to the light, cause it's the most powerful weapon in this fight. Them twist information, misinformation, which information right? Them try to hide the truth so you can stand up for your rights, but knowledge